Yeah, welcome back to your favorite cooking channel, Cooking with Abba. Yay! Today I'm taking you straight to my fancy land. Oh, but if you've not subscribed, liked, or share, please do well right now. Right now, do well to subscribe, like, and share. Today I'm doing one local fancy dish, which I think is cut across. So it's fresh fish light soup. It has a bit of pepper inside, so you can call it fresh fish pepper soup. One of Fante is in your friend Apofanto. Yes, now I am from fresh fish. You know we by the seaside, dear Charlie. Fish no dear. You didn't So I'm going to teach you one fresh fish light soup we do. Yes, and you can eat it with some about eto banku, but then we dear Charlie. And it's a quick fix. So as you do that one pet, then your eto is also by the way. But we know that she don't know what tam nti da me ho Fante line ye be ye Apofanto. Nti me here ni tomatoes, onion, ginger, pepper, garlic. Of course, we're going to use garden eggs to thicken our soup and a little bit of tin tomato. Our main ingredients are fresh fish, a little bit of Prekese just to, and I have in some chopped onion, some beef, and carrot. And of course, I'm going to cook a little bit of okra by the side and my Gari for my eba. So I'm going to be teaching you how to prepare eba in different ways in this video as well. So I kick start by checking my fish. I've taught here how to handle fish, how to work on fish in the 3 salmon recipes on this channel. So this is EDA, just in case you don't know the name of a fish, just EDA. And what you want to do is to work on it and then you rinse it properly. So I salted the fish first and foremost. That's what I was doing in the video. Now I just need to kickstart my soup. I'm not going to start with the soup, the fish. The fish is going to be the last thing that goes in. So I pre-boil all my boilables, my garden eggs, my pepper, tomato, onion, ginger, garlic, all of them. I boil them together. Now once they are soft, what I do is I take them out for blending. Then I pour in my carrots, my chopped onions, my Prekese, and then the beef. So once I take out the blendables, I just blend them till they are very fine. And then I use a colander or soy. This is soy. I'm receiving. Not nina waba. Because for your soup, you want fine soup. You don't want coarse soup. And peda and baba the one kwan. Nti nkwanze or there is smooth kakranti. As in super gum na asha one kwan. So I'm just going to mix everything up. I'm going to add in the tomato mix. I had a different tin tomato mix. Nti so or what's in most or sachet no in the tomato mix. So that's just going to thicken it up a bit as well. And it's going to add in a bit of color. Then I added in, of course, salt to it as well. So you need to let your soup come to boil, and soup doesn't take a long time to cook. So maybe once you're done steaming your veggies, which if it's on high heat, maybe within 10-15 minutes you should be even done blending, boiling, and all those ones. And you can just cook it for about extra 5 minutes to get your soup base cooked. Once that is cooked, that is when you add in your fish. Fresh fish is much delicate, so if you put it in at the initial stages, it's going to flake out. So the fish is what is going to go in last, and once the fish goes in, you need to lower your heat and let it cook gently. So that's professional and it's not going to get mushy. So yes, and because we're working with fish, that's why I used a bit more of pepper. So your pepper, your ginger, your garlic is going to season it there. So there's no need for you to really pre-season your fish before it goes in there. Once you work on your fish well, and you can boil your okra by the side and take it with it. So yes, I was saying, make sure that once your soup goes on fire, it should go on low heat. So one way you could do your eba is to preheat your water with salt, and then you add in your Gari. Then you knead it on the stove. That thing. Yeah. This one gives you more of the starchy feel in there. And another way you could also do your eba is to do your hot water, add in your salt to taste, add in your gari in your bowl, and just mix it up. That is also going to do the trick for you, baby. So you could do it like that. And of course, me, I told you, I always like to give you more options. And I do this a lot. The last option, when I'm in school and Charlie, I come back and I'm so tired, I'm so hungry. Charlie, I just put my water with my salt and my gari. Just make sure the water is enough of the gari. I put it in the microwave. My guy, I just give it 2 minutes and I'm done. So once it comes out, it's already hot and it's already cooked. I just mix it together and I'm done. So yes, you could do your eba like these, as I did here. You could do it on your stove. You could do it without the stove, just the hot water, or you could just use your microwave and do your eba. So yeah, fresh fish doesn't take too long to cook, honestly. If your heat is high, within 5 minutes it should be done. And if you don't take it, you're going to make it go very soft. So I always recommend you do it over medium low heat and just give it about 10 minutes. It should be done. So this is your Apofanto. Very simple Apofanto. You know the beauty about this one? See, when they go and they bring fresh fish and you get fresh fish that day, hey, oh yeah, soskets. So yes, you have to try this Apofanto dish as well. Some also call it a bit of Fante Fante because yes, you know the Fantes will do this a lot. So yeah, you could serve it with a bit of your oko, serve it with your eba like I did. I placed in the bowl, then I moved it. It came out like that. And yeah, enjoy my Apofanto and give me how it goes. You know that thing. Yeah, yeah. Shout outs to all my Fante folks and my C folks. Yeah, and sure enough fun. Shout out to everyone. Lots of love from my team and I. I'll see you in our next food video. Please do well to like, subscribe, and share. Mwah.